What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Crown Racing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to check surface flatness either on your engine block or your cylinder heads. So with that said, let's get to it. Describing this diagram a little bit relative to the sideways positions, the last two is what these two measurements are. See, I have marked B and A, and then I have the front marked for the cylinder head. So that's how I'll record, and if I am having issues, I'll do multiple measurements throughout. And then for the actual just horizontal measurements, you can see checking in line with the bolt holes, checking the combustion chamber top, combustion chamber mid, combustion chamber bottom, and then the other bolt holes going through. And then just my own symbols that I use. The X means the flatness was smaller than a thou. And then the equal marks means that I could basically fit 1 thou, but 2 thou is too big. So it's going to be pretty much as simple as you think it's going to be. You just need to be thorough and make sure that you're watching your flat edge to see if it moves or not. This is a 1 thou feeler gauge. So I'll start off with the easy stuff to be quick and just try and slide it under and then see how it just slipped under just a little bit right there. The next thing you'll do is I'll actually pick this up, put the feeler gauge under it, and then I'll set this back down on top of the feeler gauge. And when I go to pull the feeler gauge out, if this moves, I'm good. If I can take this feeler gauge and you want to try and keep it as level as you can to this surface, you're not doing any extra drag loads to make it move. And if you pull it this way and this does not move, that means you need to step up to the next larger size and see if you can get it to move with 2 thou. So I'll show you an example of that right now. So I found a spot in the cylinder head where 1/1000 fails, so I'll show you what that looks like. I was able to remove this and the bar stayed in the same spot. So what we'll do is we step up to 2/1000. That was 1/1000. Now 2/1000. Have my 2/1000 feeler gauge set up. Now let's try and pull it. And the whole flat edge starts to move with me. So I know that the low spot is greater than 1 thou, but less than 2, which in my case passes. That's within spec. And that's it. It really is that simple. I definitely would say it's nice and easy to do this when you can work on a level surface. When you're over checking flatness on your engine, if you can somehow rotate the engine so this flat surface is vertical, it'll make your life a lot easier. If not, you'll just kind of have to hold the flat spot or your gauge while you use your feeler gauges and go through. All right, guys, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys know the deal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.